नमस्कार, आपका इस सेशन में स्वागत है। अब आज हम बात करेंगे कि हम प्रोटोन वीपीएन को कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं। वीपीएन तो बहुत है, नॉट वीपीएन, प्रोटोन वीपीएन, अदर मल्टीपल पेड वीपीएन। सो ये आप देख सकते हैं, जीरो ट्रस्ट वीपीएन, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ओपन वीपीएन, टर्बो वीपीएन एंड ऑल, बट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द Proton VPN that you can get in form of application from Play Store. Otherwise, you can get it from your website, that is called ProtonVPN.com. From here, you will get a Proton VPN. Now there are multiple options: Proton VPN free, plus, and unlimited. In plus and unlimited, there are options that Proton VPN, Proton Pass, Proton Mail, Proton Calendar, and Proton Drive. Everything you will get on Proton email. Even people are using Proton email that to hide their information. Like if you want to send any email to any person and you want to hide your information, what you can do, just buy a Proton email. And Proton, by the way, Proton email is also free. So if from this Proton email, if you will send any email to any person or any organization, there is privacy policies by the Proton VPN that they don't keep the log and they don't provide the data, as because of their privacy policy. Now move to the, they're not going to pay, continue with the free. Now it is asking for the email ID, so we'll just hack with Rai 2026 at the rate gmail.com. Okay. So it will check. Now most of the people are using, let's just create, set your password. So I'll just copy this and paste it somewhere in notepad. Okay, now continue with this password. Now it will ask download Proton VPN. So which operating system? It automatically detects that 64. And in last class I have also talked about that how you can get the information. Now that the VPN is downloaded, you can, yes, you like to click next, Proton Mail, Proton Drive. If you want, you can uncheck any of them. Now it is just getting installing. Now VPN on computer. Yes, we are waiting. Let me just check that what is my IP. What is my IP? Now from here the IP address is 117.250.15.226. Now this is my public IP address. Whatever I will do, I will search, everything will get recorded with this particular IP. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to change this. So we have login. Let's just signing in, get us started. Now here you can see there is a kill switch, port forwarding. I will talk about this terminology later. Net sealed, kill switch. That what is kill switch? Once अचानक लेटर सपोज कि आपका प्रोटॉन बंद हो गया या आपने गलती से इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया, तो उस समय तो आपकी आईपी एक्सपोज हो जाएगी. सो किल स्विच इज़ ऑफरिंग दैट फंक्शनलिटी दैट जैसे ही आपका कनेक्शन ड्रॉप हुआ, ये आपको आपके मतलब आपके इंटरनेट को ही पॉज कर देगा. ठीक है ना. यू कैन दिस कनेक्ट इंडिया. IP address is 117.250.15. It is similar to that. Now let me just change this IP. कनेक्ट किया था, मेरा जो कैमरा है उससे डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, बिकॉज जस्ट तुरंत आईपी उसकी मास्क हो गई थी, इसकी वजह से दैट दी नाउ करंट द आईपी एड्रेस इज दिस. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. नेक्स्ट सेशन में मैं आपसे किल स्विच, पोर्ट फॉरवर्डिंग और इसके टनलिंग, इंक्रिप्शन, इन सब के पे डिटेल बात करूँगा, ऑल्सो इन प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म. थैंक यू सो मच, धन्यवाद, टेक केयर.